Hello guys, I'll be taking you through a journey how to create a database. And we have two methods we can use in creating a database. We have the design method and we have the command method. Now, for you to actually carry out these methods, you need to connect into your SQL server. Now, we'll connect into our SQL server and it's open. Now we are in our SQL server. For instance, you want to create a customer database. Now you actually need to create a database so you'll be able to create tables in the database. So we are going to start with the design method. Now, where you will have the database, you right click on database, right click on it, new database. Now the database name, you are going to give it a database name, customers. Let's assign a host to it. For instance, let's just consumables. You click OK. Now, we've successfully created a database using the design method. So for which to actually view it or see we have created the database, you click on the plus sign to expand the database. Now you can see it. Customers, consumables. This is it here. This is the database we've created in our SQL server. Now you can actually also view it here. You can come down here. If you click on new query, if you click on new query, now where you have your master, this is the default database you have. So if you click on the drop down arrow, it will give you the available database you have in your SQL server. Now you can find the click on it, customer consumables. So we've successfully created a database using the design method. Now I'll also take you on how to create a database using the command method. Now, to create a database, you use the create command. Now, this is the syntax used in creating a database using the command method. Create database, then database name. So create, that's the command. What are you creating? You are creating a database. Now you need to assign a name to the database. So this is the syntax or the command you use in creating a database. And let us do it practically. This is create database. Let's give it customers underscore consumables 2. Then you click on execute. Command completed successfully. So now we have successfully created a database using the command method. Now for we to view this database, go to expand, go to database here. Can you find it here? Consumables 2. If you can't, refresh your database, refresh it and see if it will appear. Yes, it has appeared. Customers underscore consumables 2. So we can see. Now let's also check here if we find it here in the drop down, consumables 2. So now another thing you actually need to take note of is how to use a database. For instance, you have two databases. You have customers consumables and you have customer consumables too. Now, if you are creating a table into such database, you need to be specific on the database you want to create a table into. Now, you can actually do it here, consumables. And when you create a table, it will go into this particular consumables. You can also bypass this by using this command. You can bypass this by using the use command. Use, for instance, we want to use the consumables too. The customers underscore consumable too. Click on the execute. You can see it has changed automatically here. It has changed. So this is how to create a database using the design method and the command method. And anytime you actually want to use a particular database, you need to either use the drop down arrow close to execute, or you use the use command. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.